This is just great. Well, I don't think I can do anything about that.
Neshivilis. It's an unfortunate place to be stranded, eh, comrade? It's 300 kilometers to nearest village. A long distance to make on foot.
Very long. I suppose it's fortunate that you just so happened to find me out here.
Fortunate for who? Meh, that remains to be seen. I recognize you, no?
We've met before.
You small world.
Getting smaller every day. So,
shut your mouth, Svinya. I could leave you here to freeze to death.
You could. But I'm sure you remember me saving your borscht the last time we met.
It's not how I remember things.
Well, I did. And you're welcome. Besides, I reckon you and me are both out here looking for the same thing. Seems we might be able to help each other out.
Is unlikely.
Now hear me out. I got my orders, same as you got yours.
What is it you want from me, Amerikansky?
Well, like you said, with my ride KO'd, I'll likely die out here on my own. But since I know you aren't out here on foot, could you maybe give me a lift? I'd owe you big time. Anything you want, anytime you need it, you just name it.
No funny stuff.
Ain't a funny bone in my body.
That's your ride? Is more reliable than your machine in this code, no? You have problem?
No problem. I love dogs.
What is?
Shh. You hear that?
I hear thought so.
I believe we got company incoming. I guess they're the asking questions later type.
Well, that was anticlimactic. There will be more. We must leave.
No argument for me. Let's move out.